Activity 5.3 How to solve the infertility condition. Embryo transfer. Embryo transfer refers to a step in the process of assisted reproduction in which embryos are placed into the uterus of a female with the intent to establish a pregnancy. This technique, which is often used in connection with in vitro fertilization (IVF), may be used in humans or in animals, in which situations the goals may vary. Advantages: 1. The rapid increase in the same period. 2. Save time and money in improving productivity. 3. Help preserve the endangered species of animals have increased as well. Flaw 1. Costly. It must be the hormones and embryo transfer procedures. 2. Be made by scientists or experts only. Artificial insemination technology is used for sexual reproduction, with the principle that sperm and eggs are mixed together without a sexual nature. This can be done by a human sperm is injected into the animal's reproductive organs of male animals, where female in estrus, to achieve fertilization resulted in a pregnancy and female animals have. Advantages: 1. The animals bred on demand. 2. With semen from stud it can be used to increase the water, soften or semen. 3. Cost for stud surface, order from overseas breeder, and transport stud to breed a long distance. 4. A solution to the difficult season use. Flaw 1. If the selection is a double-edged sword, a bad breeder will make a bad spread. 2. Staff must be trained to have the skills to produce a good result, which requires a relatively high cost. 3. Tools used in IVF is expensive, and if you are not careful in using it may cause damage. Gift the eggs and sperm into the fallopian tube to be fertilized or gathered by nature. After fertilization, the egg and sperm cannot be grown. It is the light and get embedded in the uterine cavity, and so is the gift. Pregnancy is one of the ways to treat infertility. The treatment is quite costly and wasteful of time. There is much potential for the treatment of complications as well, even though it is a small matter. Advantages: 1. Help couples with infertility. Pregnancy success rate of about 60%. 2. A high success rate. For those who have been treated by the gift are usually not much trouble. Well, at least one fallopian tube is cut the pipe, so it is difficult to develop uterine lining out. Flaw 1. Be difficult to manage in the operating room. Time. 2. She had a tubal at least one side, and in the egg and sperm to the ovate. After that, abdominal surgery is often required. Fifth, infertility treatment in which eggs and sperm are not spouses confine themselves naturally, which may have caused oviduct malfunctions, normal endometrial growth fault, the connective tissue in the pelvis. Men with low sperm than normal, or in some cases the cause cannot be found. How to city center is similar to the gift, with the IVF is a collection of eggs fertilized with sperm outside the body. 1 to 2 days, and larvae feed on the larvae of the doctor to put it back into the fallopian tube by piercing through the abdomen. So she must have at least one normal fallopian tube side. Advantages: to ensure that eggs and sperm are then fertilized. The success rate of this method is about 30 to 40 per treatment cycle.